Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Osman's EduTrends, swinging into educational trends. Today we are here with a new topic in medicinal chemistry, that is anti-scabies and anti-pedicular agents. Anti-scabicides or anti-scabies agent, these are the agents used to control mites that are Sarcoptes scabi. If an organism that thrives under conditions of poor personal hygiene, then it gets affected by skin infection. Scabies is a skin infection caused by mite Sarcoptes scabi. Whereas antipediculosides or antipedicular agents, these are the agents which are used to eliminate lice from a head, body and crab. Lice are tiny insects that lay eggs on hair shafts, can be easily spread to those in close contact. It is characterized by severe itching, particularly at night, red spots and may lead to secondary infection. Ideal scabicides and pediculosides must kill the adult parasite and destroy their eggs. Now moving on to the widely used scabicides and pediculosides, we have example like precipitated sulfur. Precipitated sulfur and colloidal sulfur are used in the form of lotion, creams, powders, soaps and bath additives for treatment of acne vulgaris, acne rosaceae, seborrheic dermatitis and scabies. Sulfur may kill adult scabies mite. Sulfur is sometimes used to treat lice on very small infants, pregnant women and nursing women. In general, it is used only when permethrin or other medication cannot be used. Now moving on to the next drug, that is benzyl benzoate, available with the brand name Babizol and IUPAC name benzoic acid phenyl methyl ester. Benzyl benzoate is a naturally occurring ester obtained from Peru balsam and other resins. It is an effective scabicide when applied topically. Immediate relief from itching results from a local anesthetic effect. It is applied topically as a lotion over the entire dampened body except face. Complete cure can be obtained with single application of 25% emulsion of benzyl benzoate. Moving on to the third example, Lindane, that is available with the brand name Quell, also called as gamma benzene hexachloride and IUPAC name 123456 hexachlorocyclohexane. It is an example of halogenated hydrocarbon and it is prepared by chlorination of benzene by obtaining a mixture of 5 isomers. It is used to treat head and crab lice. Lindane work by killing the lice and their eggs by acting as a stomach poison. An infection with lice is called as an infestation. Lindane is employed locally as a cream, lotion or shampoo for treatment. It has a fumigant effect. This drug should not be used to prevent lice infestation or reinfestation. Moving on to the fourth example of scabicides or pediculosides, we have Crotamitone, which is available with the common name Urax and IUPAC name N-methyl N2-methyl phenyl 2-butanamide. Crotamitone works by killing the mites that causes scabies. It also helps relieve itching related to scabies and other skin infections. Crotamitone belongs to two classes of drugs, scabicides and antipruritics. It is available in 10% concentration in a lotion and in cream intents for topical treatment of scabies. Moving on to the next example is permethrin, that is available with the brand name Elimite and IUPAC name is 3-phenoxybenzyl cis-trans 3,2,2-dichlorovinyl 2,2-dimethyl cyclopropane carboxylate. Permethrin is a synthetic pyrethroid compound. Chemically, 4 isomers are present in commercial product. The racemic mixture is widely used. Permethrin exerts a lethal action against lice, tick, mites and fleas. It acts on the nerve cell membranes of the parasite to disrupt sodium channel conductance. Permethrin is used as pediculoside for treatment of head lice. A single application of 1% solution or lotion is known to treat head lice infection. It acts by destroying both lice and their eggs. If 5% cream is used to treat scabies. Now moving on to the last drug, that is ivermectin, available with the brand name Stomectol. Doctors may prescribe oral medication for people with altered immune system or for people who have crusted scabies or for people who don't respond to the prescriptional lotions and cream. Ivermectin is not recommended for women who are pregnant or nursing or for the children who weigh less than 15 kgs. This completes anti-scabies and anti-pedicular agents. Thank you.